Hello, and welcome to another update video on gold. So, quick update here. I already covered silver today, but I think current price action just makes it helpful to update gold as well once more, because gold has basically perfectly followed the roadmap from yesterday that I outlined. Didn't need to change a thing here. The price basically yesterday when I made the video, it was already pushing a little higher, right? And I highlighted the potential that this here could be the C wave of the A wave. We should get like one more high, which we did, and then possibly a pullback in wave B. I gave you that support area, which I just slightly adjusted based on the high, and it hit exactly the 78.6 retracement. Perfect three-wave move down after a perfect three-wave move up, and now we could be working on the C wave up, because the idea was a top of sorts formed here. We have a three-wave move down into support. Technically, this could be the entire correction done. Then we should get a break above $4,350. But I told you that unless the move to the upside is clearly impulsive, I prefer and prepare for a broader A, B, C structure. Yeah, and so I don't see it as clearly impulsive, so I prepare still for a broader wave 4 and would expect this until we really get a break above 4,350. I think we could get quite an aggressive C wave that will get a lot of people to FOMO in again, just to then give us that broader C wave down. Orange is therefore preferred until further notice, until I change it. But no, orange is preferred for now. The price so far is doing exactly what it was supposed to do. And to be honest, it's not exactly impulsive, because this here does look like three waves up. So we have a three-wave start to a potential bounce. That really does look like a textbook ABC structure as explained. This C wave to the upside has a target zone. It's between $4,207 to $4,305. Let's see if we can get there. There is a difference between target zone, and resistance. So this is really just what the C wave should do. Doesn't mean it couldn't go higher. It can, but this is the ideal target zone here to watch. And basically now, therefore, and probably into next week, we might see this C wave rally. We might get some pullbacks along the way. Essentially, the C wave should also be 5 waves. And a break below 4,054 would indicate the C wave down has started already. But really, I would prefer this to be, a more healthy B wave, as labeled here. And so I think as we head into the weekend now, we can, it's played out, right? So we can lean back. Next week, I would expect a bit of a further continuation of the C wave up, ideally. But I will probably make another video at the end of Sunday before the market opens. Maybe also another weekend update to see how the market eventually closed. Let me know in the comments if you like that. And then, remember what we said. Like when we entered the week, I explained to you that this week I'd like to see a move towards this resistance area. We haven't reached it yet, but essentially this B wave moved a bit sideways. So we'll see if we get that further B wave up, and that is exactly what we wanted to see this week. And then it's important to understand, once we have a top in circle wave B, we can calculate the target of circle wave C to the downside. Ideally, we are going to hold $3,817 in this C wave to the downside. That would be ideal. That is the 50% retracement. That's the, basically we should ideally, at least in Roman numeral 4, not break below it. And because an A wave and a C wave tend to have the same length, sometimes the C wave is longer. You see, if we break down now, then we are going to probably aim for that 100% extension there at around 3,817 plus minus few dollars. So the risk is high we're going to break support, but it's okay. It will still be okay. But the risk is obviously the C wave is a bit longer than we break support. But you see, the higher we go in this B wave, I'm just measuring, because we can only, as I said, calculate the target for the C wave once the B wave is topped. So if we go higher, the higher the B wave, the better for the overall bullish thesis. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. I hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our stocks membership, where we also cover gold, silver, also platinum and palladium are covered there as a bonus, plus obviously NASDAQ, S&P, and many stocks. The link is in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.